The Imdot Pressure Cleaner 5000 offers exceptional cleaning power with its 5,000 pounds per square inch pressure and 2.8 gallons per minute water flow, making it perfect for tackling tough grime on various surfaces. This versatile cleaner comes with 4 quick connect nozzles and a 500 milliliter foam cannon, allowing users to customize their cleaning approach for different tasks. Safety is a top priority with this cleaner, featuring an intelligent protection design that includes a safety lock switch, child protection lock, and a 33-foot power cord with GFCI protection. Designed with user convenience in mind, it boasts an adjustable telescopic handle and durable wheels for easy mobility, making it simple to transport and store. The pressure cleaner's compact size allows for efficient storage, with onboard compartments for hoses, power cords, nozzles, and foam cannons. Imdot provides excellent customer support to ensure a hassle-free experience, making this pressure cleaner a reliable choice for both residential and professional cleaning tasks.